guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and welcome to today's video. I know we have been all spending so much time going in our fridge and looking in our cupboards. Me myself, I am guilty of that. So I thought, why not make a video showing you guys some healthy ideas to have as snacks during the day when we're feeling hungry or we're bored and we want to just eat something. So instead of, just opening up your freezer, finding a frozen pizza, here are some ideas to keep you full but that are still healthy and can still keep you on track with your healthy lifestyle or weight loss journey, whatever it may be for you. These are some really delicious recipes that are super easy to make and really don't take that much time at all. Before we get started, please don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, and also don't forget to click that little post notification bell so you're notified every time I do upload a video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. For the first recipe, you will only need 3 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Not to mention, for all of these recipes, I tried to use ingredients that were really simple and that you don't need to go out and buy, because I know that can be a little difficult in these times. All you will need is a cucumber. Of course, don't forget to wash it. Then you will need some cream cheese. This is from Philadelphia and I do like to buy the light version just because it is a lot less calories. And of course, the last ingredient is everything but the bagel seasoning. This is from Trader Joe's. So for my Canadians, I know we don't have this. Every time I go to the States, I do stock up on this because it is so good. But basically, it's just a blend of garlic, onion, there are sesame seeds, poppy seeds, there's a little bit of salt, and it's so good. I use this on eggs, on snacks, on so many different things. Step 1 is, of course, to slice this up into pieces. Just like this. Now we are going to go ahead and put some cream cheese right on top, and then just sprinkle a bit of this on top of each one, and we're done. So there you have it. This is how it is. Of course, let's go ahead and try it out together. They are so good. This is a perfect snack if you are feeling hungry and there's still about, say, 2 hours until supper, so you don't want to have something that will fill you up and just spoil your dinner. So this will be a perfect snack to hold you just until your next meal. The next snack we will be making are peanut butter and chocolate chip energy balls. These are so good because they make you feel really full, and of course they are delicious. So the first ingredient that you will need are half a cup of rolled oats. Then you'll need 4 big tablespoons of peanut butter, of course. Next, you will need honey. Now, what I like to use as a healthier version is some organic blue agave syrup. This is a lot less calories than honey and it gives the same sweet taste. So I'll just put like that. I'd say about, again, 4 tablespoons worth. The next ingredient is, of course, optional, and that is some chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet and they are small, but don't put too many of these, just a bit. And the last thing you need is a pinch of salt. Now let's take our wooden spoon and, of course, mix this all up. If you feel like you need to add more honey, of course, go ahead. I will add just about a tablespoon more. This is what it should look like. Now what you want to do is put these in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to cool down, and they will harden a little, and then you'll just roll them up into balls and they are ready to eat. Snap is even easier to make and super low calorie, and that is popcorn with almonds. Now don't get, that super buttery popcorn. The one that I like is from Orville Redone Batcher. This brand. And I like to get the Smart Pop, and it is 94% fat-free. But what I really want to show you here is, of course, every time you are buying something, look at the nutrition facts, and you'll see that for 8 cups pop, that is 160 calories. Now, I don't know about you, but 8 cups is a lot. I won't be eating that much. And for all that, it's 160 calories. But of course, popcorn won't make you feel that full. And that is why you want to add in some almonds. It'll add a crunchy taste. It'll make you full longer. And at the same time, you're getting some healthy fats from here. Let's go ahead and open her up. So I'd say that's about 2 cups of popcorn. And now take your almonds. Now this, yes, you do want to count because almonds are great for you. They keep you full, but if you have too many, watch out because they are very high in calories. So I have about 13 almonds here. Just sprinkle that on top, and there you go. Trust me, this will fill you up. It doesn't seem like it, but it really will. Snack is one of my personal faves, and that is crackers and veggies with hummus. Not only will this help really fill you up because of the hummus, but you are also getting in your veggies and some carbs as well. When it comes to hummus, there are so many different flavors that you can choose from. One of my favorites are sriracha. This one is roasted pepper. So good. For today is an egg sandwich. Hard-boiled eggs are such a great idea to meal prep. At the beginning of the week, you can go ahead and just hard-boil a bunch of them and keep them in your fridge, and they are an easy on-the-go snack that is, of course, healthy and will keep you full. So, of course, you need a piece of bread. This one is a 10-grain whole wheat healthy bread. Of course, don't just use white bread. Use one with grains because the grains in the bread are, of course, healthy for you and they will keep you full because they have protein. So just take a hard-boiled egg and with a fork, let's mash it up. The next ingredient is half a teaspoon of mayo. Really don't go too hard on this. You really don't need that much. Then I love to put mustard. Did you guys know? Well, you probably already do know, but mustard is 0 calories. I found that only a couple years ago and I freaked out. So you don't have to be shy. Depending how much you like, go ahead and put how much you like. I like to put just a little bit. Then I have here a pinch of paprika. Once again, don't put too much of that. And just blend this all together. Also, don't be afraid to cook with spices because they add so much flavor to your meals and they don't have any calories. Now let's go ahead and spread this on the bread. The next thing I like to do is again go in with everything but the bagel seasoning. I told you I use this for so many things. It adds so much flavor, like I said, and it's 0 calories. And there you have it. Of course, if you would like to make this a lunch, you can use 2 slices of bread, add in an extra boiled egg, and it will be more calories and will keep you full even longer. But this is great for in the middle of the day when you need a little something just to hold us over until our next big meal. It is so flavorful, and there are just so many nutrients in this plate. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys try one of these snacks out. I personally love all of them. They are super easy to make and delicious. Of course, what can help you choose which one to have is which one fits into your calorie intake of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of these types of videos. And of course, like this video if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!